Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create link for meeting in Google Meet. It is really simple, just go to meet.google.com and then click on new meeting. Here select create a meeting for later, and this is your meeting link. Just click on this copy link icon and then paste the link where you want. Now you can also schedule in Google Calendar, so click on that. And here you can even add a title of your meeting, add a time, add how much does it have to repeat, and then add some notifications before the meeting, add a location, and add even a description of this meeting. You can also add guests to your meeting if you want, and then just press save. But before, don't forget to copy your link, which is right here. As you can see, it is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.